Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by preparing Excel so you can reassign a shortcut safely. Enable the Developer tab and allow VBA access. This gives you the tools to create or edit macros. Once done, press Alt plus F11 to open the Visual Basic editor. That's where you'll write the action tied to a shortcut. Make sure your workbook is saved as a macro-enabled file. XLSM before proceeding, because otherwise your new shortcut won't persist when you close Excel. Now assign the shortcut to the macro you want. Back in Excel, choose Developer Macros, pick the macro, and click Options to set a Control plus letter shortcut. This maps a key combination to your code. If you need a less common combo, add Shift to use Control plus Shift plus letter. Remember why? A macro shortcut automates repeated tasks so you save time and reduce errors. After assigning, test the shortcut immediately on sample data. To confirm, finish by saving the workbook as a macro-enabled file so your shortcut survives closing Excel. You save as and choose XLSM. If the new shortcut doesn't work, check for conflicts with Excel's built-in shortcuts and change the macro key or use Control plus Shift to avoid collisions. As an alternative, add the macro to the Quick Access toolbar for a clickable option that's universally available. If errors persist, open the VBA editor to debug the macro code and test again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.